this video, I will show you a detailed comparison between SendPulse and Constant Contact, two popular email marketing platforms, to help you decide which is better for your marketing needs in 2024. For your convenience, the links to both SendPulse and Constant Contact are in the description below, so you can try them out. Both SendPulse and Constant Contact offer a range of features designed to help marketers reach their audience effectively. Let's dive into the key differences and similarities between these platforms. SendPulse offers a variety of plans, including a free plan with limited features and paid plans starting at $6 per month. Constant Contact, on the other hand, offers plans starting at $12 per month. Constant Contact's pricing is higher, but it comes with more advanced features. Both platforms offer email marketing features such as email templates, A/B testing, and email automation. However, Constant Contact offers more advanced automation features, such as event-triggered emails and behavior-based automation. SendPulse stands out with its SMS marketing features, allowing you to send text messages to your subscribers. Constant Contact does not offer SMS marketing as part of its core features. Constant Contact provides robust marketing automation capabilities, including email automation, contact segmentation, and personalized content. SendPulse also offers automation features but may not be as advanced as Constant Contact in this regard. Both platforms offer customer support, but Constant Contact is known for its excellent customer service, providing phone, email, and chat support. SendPulse also offers support, but may not be as responsive or comprehensive as Constant Contact. In conclusion, both SendPulse and Constant Contact offer powerful features for marketers. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option with SMS marketing capabilities, SendPulse could be a great choice. However, if you prioritize advanced automation features and top-notch customer support, Constant Contact may be the better option for you. Click the link in the description to try SendPulse or Constant Contact for free.